Hi, I am Alamin from Bangladesh. Today I will learn how to use copyright video in YouTube. Edit from Aposoft software, Power software. I saw before video tutorial. You can show the Aposoft software, Power software. You can download this Power software from this previous video tutorial description link. Today I will do not show. I will not give to you how to download the Power software. Today I will learn how to use copyright video in YouTube. Edit from Power software, Power software. So let's go to work. At first, open this software Power screen recorder. Any on video edit. Just wait. You can show this option. Now your computer, you can add any video from your computer, song. I edit this video. Modhu koi khoi bish khawaila. Edit this. Click the edit this option, and you can show this option. You can show this option, and at first you if you want to this professional video editing, at first you add trim here. Then select this something cut this, then okay button, and you again edit button, click here, and you after this add trim marker, then click here and select the crop, and you want to this small from the top area. You can small this top area, something small this top area, and this left side area, and the right side area, and then from bottom area, then OK button, and again edit button, and go to the adjust option, and you can show this option. I will try to retard this picture or retard this video. You can click here, then you can show this video is opposite option. Then click the OK button and edit this, and you the effect option. You can go to you will go to effect option, and the speed, gun speed. You will if you want to this professional video editing, professional YouTube video editing, you can you will work it. You will work it. You will some slow speed, and volume full, and contrast it something. Then the brightness something is it says then OK button. After this completing video editing, then convert, click the convert here, and now you can convert here, click, just wait after the converting. Just wait for this converting, and you can upload this video from YouTube in YouTube, but cannot copyright this video. This video is fully used from this unique video, and you can more visitor and earn from this video. Now I will give tricks you from many visitor or many viewer from this video, how you can get more visitor or more viewer from YouTube. I will give the next tutorial. So everybody, today is here. Everybody is goodbye.